Hi students, this is the part 4 of metals and non-metals of class 8. So till the previous videos we learned that what are metals, what are non-metals, and we studied about occurrence of metals. In this video we will be going to understand about some chemical properties of metals and non-metals. Then we will go to physical properties. In the books generally first the physical properties are explained and then chemical properties are explained. But I will explain the chemical properties first and I will go to the physical properties later on, because I feel that in standard 6 you have been explained about luster, sonorosity and these things. So let me first complete with chemical properties and then I will go with physical properties. So chemical properties of metals and non-metals. So first chemical properties, let us go is reaction that they show with oxygen. So one thing I would like to say regarding this, that in reaction with oxygen, metals, I am writing skeletal equations, metals will react with oxygen to form their metal oxides. Metal oxides. Suppose I am giving example. Suppose sodium reacts with oxygen, sodium in solid state, suppose reacts with oxygen in gaseous states and form its oxide, that is Na2O. So this is sodium oxide. Now let's balance this equation. So this is sodium oxide. So you should know one thing, that metal oxides are basic in nature. So their pH is basic. So many reasoning questions can be asked from this context, that metals react with oxygen to form metal oxides. For example, this is an example that I have given, that 4Na reacts with one molecule of oxygen to form 2 molecules of sodium oxide. And now you can say about the pH of sodium oxide. Since it is an oxide of a metal, it is basic in nature. Now let's understand about what is the pH or what happens when non-metals reacts with oxygen. Now let's see what happens when non-metals react with oxygen. It's very simple. Now suppose I am having a non-metal, any non-metal. Suppose we can have chlorine, bromine, iodine, any non-metal, carbon. Though carbon is not a non-metal, leave that. So if such things, like suppose chlorine reacts with oxygen, suppose chlorine 2 reacts with oxygen, it will form Cl2O. It will form this chlorine oxide. So what is the pH nature of chlorine oxide? You should know that non-metal oxides are basic in nature. Non-metal oxides are acidic in nature. So chlorine oxide is acidic in nature, and it is acidic in nature. So chlorine oxide, you should know that bromine oxide will be also acidic in nature, iodine oxide will be also acidic in nature. So non-metal oxides are acidic in nature and metal oxides are basic in nature. So this I am making an observation table for you. You please copy it down in your notebook, that metal oxides are basic in nature and non-metal oxides are acidic in nature. So metal oxides are basic in nature and non-metal oxides are acidic in nature. So this observation is essential. Now let's understand few more properties of chemical properties. In the next video we will be revising about reaction with water. Thank you.